Hi, Dad here. This is a trailer for Frank's first full-length video on how he learned to ride in a sidecar. That's over 900 miles ago now. I'm also including links to Frank's harness and goggles that he uses. And if you click on that link and buy anything there, it does support Frank's therapy / video / travel and pizza and chicken fund. So I'll let Frank tell you about the video. Hi everyone. This video that Dad's working on, it'll be kind of a long one, but it'll be step by step, A to Z, how Dad taught me to ride in the sidecar. There'll also be interviews with Mom and Dad about what works and what not to waste your pennies on, and reviews of things I've tried and things I've used. So I really hope this video can help lots and lots of other dogs learn to ride in sidecars, because nothing makes people smile like a dog in a sidecar. I've seen so many people smile at me in the sidecar. So when the full-length video comes out, check it out. And if you like, throw a subscribe button down or hit the like button. Thanks again. Cheers.